My name is CJ, aka the Cigar Man, and you are watching episode 4 of the 1947 Chevy pickup truck, the Build. And this week we're about to get into some sandblasting, and hopefully we can at least start on some body work, but we have to see how these parts turn out. So, till further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, we're in the middle of this video, episode 4 of the Build, and I tell you what guys, I am not happy with this sandblaster. This guy was a totally fake, and I'm not trying to be negative, but he took me for a loop, guys. You just can't find people to do good work anymore. He told me a price once over the phone, and then once he got to my garage, and he was like an hour into doing the sandblasting, and he was going so slow about it. I was asking him, so there's no way that you'll be able to finish all these pieces. He said, well, that's really on you. He said, because I work by the hour. I said, but buddy, you just told me over the phone that it was going to be $500 to do everything. And on top of that, this guy is using the water from my home to fill his tanks up. I've never in my life. So I stopped him after he finished the cab and stuff, because I saw that he wasn't doing a very good job. As you'll see in some of the pictures I will post and show you guys, it's almost like, because I told you guys that this had like tar and stuff on the truck. Well, the tar is still on the truck, and a lot of the rust spots is still on the truck after he sandblasted. So I basically stopped him after he did the cab or whatever. I stopped him and I said, you know what, I would do it by hand, and which I have done sandblasting before. I got a sandblasting machine. So I don't want to keep this going on for long. I want to get back to this video, but I'm letting you guys know that it was a fail for sandblasting. So I don't know what I'm going to do now, guys, but we will figure it out. I probably should have took it to my guy Monty that did my 62. He normally do my sandblasting, but this is something new that's out, and I wanted to try it, and I wanted to see if it will work, and that way I can show you guys as well. But as of right now, do not go get this sandblasting that they come to your home and do. It's not good. So let's get back into this video, and hopefully we can turn things around. All right, guys, we have come to the end of episode 4. I am starting to get into some fabricating. So far, besides the sandblasting, which was a total waste of money and total waste of my time, that just didn't work out. But we're going to move forward like always, and hopefully we can make a better leeway. As you guys see, I'm not making this truck like a beauty queen, but I am making it rust free. Therefore, you know, as far as the turnaround time and me painting, I don't have to do a lot of prepping and stuff, but I am doing all of the body work like it's supposed to be done. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will catch you guys on episode 5 of the build. Cigar Man out.